Okay guys, today on Chris Does What? I'm here with Danielle and we're going to be just talking about the install of this and the cost associated with it and things like that. If you're looking for the video where we install it, just see right up there, or I'll leave a link down below. But this is a 24K Atmor Tankless hot water heater. Freed up space and now I can put my ladder over here where the other tank was. And that was a 56-gallon tank replaced. So y'all stay tuned. Okay guys, so during the install of this Atmor hot water heater, of course, the Atmor hot water heater itself, we got for $190 off Amazon. This was the used one, open box. That's why the box looks so bad. Normally this is $250. So that, we got these valves off of Amazon for $44. The hoses here we got from Home Depot. We bought hoses off Amazon, but these were too short and they were just leaking. We couldn't get them to seal, so we replaced that. We got this conduit and all the brackets and the CPVC from Home Depot. You have to use CPVC with a hot water heater because it's hot.
There was like 4 trips to Home Depot.
Oh, it wasn't that many.
I'm so tired of Home Depot. No, it's been great. We've got everything that we needed. So
we actually didn't buy that much from Home Depot. So
actually, yeah, we did.
We spent about $100 at Home Depot.
Yeah, that's a lot.
No, 160 because we bought the breakers there too.
Right.
So here's the wire. This is 8-3 with a ground. For this hot water heater, you need only 2-3. We got this because it was $50, and the 2-3, the 8-2, was $100. So 25 foot. We kept our run short, and half the cost of 25 foot of the 8-2. Our breakers right here, these were from Home Depot. We have 3 40-amp breakers. And of course they're wired in. And depending on your breaker box, depends on your cost. These seem to be the most expensive ones out there to fit our breaker box, $60. So all in all, we spent about $250 installing this hot water heater. And
on top of this.
No, I mean $450 including this.
No, you said $250.
Oh, I'm sorry. $450 including this.
Right.
So if you bought it, not the open box, $500, which still isn't bad.
Yeah. We hope this works.
We've been using it. It works.
Yes.
We just hope it lasts.
Yes.
So if you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, hit that like button. It's right down there. Looks something like this. And if you want to see more of the install of this, we've left links up here and down below. Also, if you're looking for great recipes, good eats, check out dininginwithdanielle.com. She's made me the man I am today, half the man I was yesterday.
I love when he says that.
See y'all, please take care.